Hi guys, today is the day of my English homework and I'm gonna show you how to use your old tablet as a second screen. Go to Play Store and search for Space Desk. Space Desk install and then you click on Open. Now you go to spacedesk.net and then you click on Download. Choose your Windows version and then you click Install, Accept, Next, 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 and Finish. Wait for some seconds. After that, you go to Tablet, click on Space Desk. Your tablet and computer must be at the same LAN. As soon as Space Desk is open, you can drag everything you need across the monitor, across the tablet and monitor.